Hi, I'm Wendy Stark with the Business Retention and Expansion team at WindsorEssex. We're here today at Cavalier Tool and Manufacturing in Windsor, celebrating Economic Development Week in Windsor and Essex County. Economic Development Week gives us the opportunity to show how we work with our clients and support local companies in their success and prosperity in the region. The Business Retention and Expansion team at WindsorEssex supports local companies by providing them with information and resources they need, connecting them to government programs and supply chain opportunities, and hosting events where they can showcase their capabilities and products. We work with all levels of government to support business, and Cavalier Tool and Manufacturing has been part of many of our events and programs. And feel free to reach out to me at wstark@investwindsoressex.com.
Hi, I'm Nancy Creighton. I am from the government and I'm here to help you. That's what I tell clients when I first meet them, and it's true. I work with Wendy and Invest Windsor-Essex along with other intermediaries in the region to help companies realize their potential. The kinds of things that the Ministry of Economic Development, Job Creation and Trade can do for companies is work with them looking at various programs of support. We support expansion, investment, trade development, hiring and training workers, finding workers. So there are many things that government can help with, and I'm there to work with companies like Cavalier, who recently made a huge expansion in their investment in innovation and new markets and new technologies. If you would like to get in touch with me, please do at nancy.creighton@ontario.ca or call me at 519-259-5509, and we'll see what we can do to help you.
I'm Vito Grammatico, Senior Economic Development Officer at the City of Windsor. City of Windsor is a great place with great economic prospects and local talent that's ready to work. The City of Windsor offers community improvement plan to local employers with incentives to help them invest, as well as waiving of development fees for employers in certain industries. I'm proud to be here today at Cavalier Tool, a great local community partner and a stakeholder that helps to get the youth involved in skilled trades. For any assistance from the City of Windsor, you can reach us at ecdev@citywindsor.ca.
Hi, my name is Brian Bendick. I'm the President and CEO here at Cavalier Tool, and I was the beneficiary of these programs provided by the people that are with me here today. I've worked with Windsor Invest over a number of years, as well as Nancy with her programs, and behind me is this big cell that we were able to put in using their help. So I would encourage others to reach out. It's a great program, it works well, and it's better for everybody in the city.